டு கேம்ஸ் கல்வி சேனல். இந்த வீடியோவில் 10th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் 4 மெமரி போயம்ஸ் பார்க்கலாம். ஃபஸ்ட்டு போயம் லைஃப், ஹென்ரி வான் டைக். லெட் மீ பட் live my life from year to year with forward face and unreluctant soul, not hurrying to, not turning from the goal, not mourning for the things that disappear in the dim past, nor holding back in fear from what the future wails, but with a whole and a happy heart that pays its toll to youth and age and travels on with cheer. So let the way wind up the hill or down, over rough or smooth, the journey will be joy. Still seeking what I sought when but a boy. New friendship, high adventure, and a crown. My heart will keep the courage of the quest, and hope the road's last turn will be the best. 10th standard. Next poem, I Am Every Woman, Arthur Rocky Narayanishik. A woman is beauty innate, a symbol of power and strength. She puts her life at stake. She's real, she's not fake. The summer of life she's ready to see in spring. She says, spring will come again, my dear. Let me care for the ones who are near. She's the woman, she has no fear. Strongest she is her faith and beliefs. Persistence is the key to everything, says she, despite the sighs and groans and moans. She is strong and her faith firm in her belief. She is a lioness, don't mess with her. She will not spare you if you are a prankster. Don't ever try to saw her pride, her self-respect. She knows how to saw you, so beware. She is today woman, today's woman, dear. Love her, respect her, keep her near. Next poem, The Secret of the Machines. We were taken from the orbit and the mine. We were melted in the furnace and the pit. We were cast and wrought and harmed to design. We were cut and filed and tooled and gauged to fit. Some water, coal and oil is all we ask, and a thousands of an inch to give us play. And now, if you will set us to our task, we will serve you 24 hours a day. We can pull and haul and push and lift and drive. We can print and plow and weave and heat and light. We can run and race and swim and fly and dive. We can see and hear and count and read and write. But remember, please, the law by which we live. We are not built to comprehend a lie. We can neither love nor pity nor forgive. If you make a slip in handling us, you die. though our smoke may hide the heavens from your eyes, it will vanish and the stars will shine again. Because for all our power and weight and size, we are nothing more than children of your brain. Rudyard Kipling. Next poem, No Men Are Foreign, James Falconer Kirkup. Remember, no men are strange, no countries foreign. Beneath all uniforms, a single body breathes. Like ours, the land our brothers walk upon is yet like theirs, in which we all shall lie. They too aware of sun and air and water, are fed by peaceful harvests, by vast long winter starved. Their hands are ours, and in their lines we read a labor not different from our own. Remember, they have eyes like ours that wake, or sleep and strength that can be won by love in every land in common life, that all can recognize and understand. Let us remember, whenever we are told to hate our brothers, it is ourselves that we shall dispose us, betray, condemn. Remember, we who take arms against each other, it is the human earth that we defile. Our hell's fire and dust outrage the innocence of heart that is everywhere our own. Remember, no men are foreign and no country is strange.
இதோட இந்த வீடியோ முடியுது. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க. மறக்காம நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க.